Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. I have been solving math problems for GRE out of this book here, practicing to take the GRE General Test, the 10th edition. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. The problem that I'm about to solve, is the one that you can find on page number 266, number 14. Page 266, quantitative comparison, QC, number 14. Let's take a look at it. There are 15 questions in this set, and this is the old-fashioned paper and pencil exam, and they used to give you 15 of them. This is the number 14, the penultimate one, and this is one of the harder ones. A vast majority, well, I shouldn't really say vast majority, but the majority of the people who got it, took this exam got this question wrong. Only 43% got it right. The one after that I'm going to do, number 28, only 28% of the people got it right. So there we can say that 3/4 of the people messed it up. But this is 43% got it right. Let's take a look at it. It says, again, make sure that you have the book in front of you. Read the problem with me. Don't depend on my reading the problem to you. You have to have the book in front of you and follow me. It says in the history class that consists of 30 students. All right. So I'm going to make a note of it, that I have a total 30 students. The number of senior was 3 more than twice the number of junior. So there you go. Now we're getting into the nitty-gritty. Number of senior was 3 more than twice junior. And then I'm also told that 3/10 of the students were neither juniors nor seniors. I'm going to put that separately. 3/10 are neither junior that says nor, N-O-R, neither junior nor senior. This marker is no good. Well, let's take a look at it. See what we can do. This of course is an algebra problem. And whenever you have an algebraic problem in the exam, there are 2 ways you can solve this. Whenever you have an algebraic problem in the exam, there are 2 ways you can solve this problem. One is what I call the traditional way, the classical way, the orthodox way, the conventional way, the geeky way, the nerdy way, the academic way, the proper way, the way that will make your math teacher very proud of you, or if he or she were to take a look at your work. Unfortunately, my math teacher is not going to get to see my work on this exam. I just want to get the bloody thing done and move on with my life. So we go for the second approach. Second approach is what I call the quick and dirty way. I'm going to do the quick and dirty way, and then if you have the time, I'm going to show you the proper way if you like. But the quick and dirty way is that in the first column they tell me the number of juniors in the class. In the first column they tell me the number of juniors in the class. So they want me to compare the number of juniors in the class versus the quantity they give me in the second column, which is 6. Whenever they give you a statement in one column and plain old number, a numerical value in the second column, that numerical value there is for a reason. It does not drop from the sky. It has some significance to it. Make use of it. So they want me to compare number of juniors in the class versus 6. I'm going to take that 6 and use that in my work. I'm going to pretend, okay? I'm just going to assume. I'm going to pretend the number of juniors in the class is 6. I'm going to put it back in the problem and see if it fits. If it fits, it's like a jigsaw puzzle. All the pieces have to fit. If it fits, then the number of junior is 6. If it doesn't fit, the vast majority of the time you will be able to tell whether that piece is too large or too small. If I'm going to pretend that the number of juniors in the class is 6 and I put it back in the problem, and if it doesn't fit, I should be able to tell whether that 6 I have too many juniors or too few juniors. And that's all I need. If it doesn't fit and if it's too large, that 6 is too large, then I know that the number of juniors has to be fewer than 6. Then in that case the answer will be B. If it's too small, then I would know that number of juniors has to be more than 6. The answer will be A. And if it fits perfectly, then the answer is C. That's all. You only have to do one time work, that's all. And that by doing that one work, you will be able to tell whether it fits or which direction it tilts. And that's all it is. So let's go. I'm going to pretend, let's pretend that juniors are 6. I'm just going to pretend here, okay? Seniors, I'm told, seniors are 3 more. See, whenever you see the word is, was, will be, that means equal sign. So I'm going to translate this sentence here into mathematical language. This English language sentence I'm going to translate into mathematical language. Seniors, seniors, it should say were, shouldn't it? They're plural. Oh, because it says the number of seniors was. Okay, fine, that doesn't matter. We're not worried about grammar. The number of senior was 3 more. 3 more. More means plus sign. More means addition. Then twice the junior. 2 times the j. And I'm pretending that j is 6. Let's not do it like this. It's going to confuse people. So I'm going to put in 6 for j. Why 6? Because that's what they're giving me in the second column. If they had given me 5 in the second column, I would have used 5. If they'd given me 37 in the second column, that's what I would have used. I want to compare it with that number. Let's put it in. If that's the case, if juniors are 6, then seniors have to be 2 times 6, which is 12, plus 3, which is 15. Now let's see what this part of the story tells me. This part of the story tells me that 3/10 of them are neither juniors nor seniors. And I also know that there are 30 altogether. So what is 3/10 of 30? What does off means? Off means multiply. Off means multiply. Of 3/10 of 30, well, it's just 9. It's just 9, which means 9 of them are neither juniors nor seniors. 3/10 are neither junior nor seniors, which means number of juniors plus the number of seniors has to be 30 minus the 9, 21, which is exactly what we got here. We got 15 seniors here and 6 juniors. 15 seniors, 6 juniors is 21, which is what this part of the equation tells me. There are 2 equations there and they fit. That's it, we're done. Since it fits, the answer is 6. Answer is C. If when I put in 6 for J for juniors, and I got the number of seniors, and when I added them all up and that number happened to be larger than what I'm getting here, then I would have known that I have too many juniors. Or if on the other end, if I pretend the juniors are 6 and I figure out how many seniors there must be, and I add them all up and it turns out to be too few, I know I have to have 21 juniors and seniors. And if it turns out it's too few, then I know I need more juniors. And that's all. That's it, we're done. I'm going to look in the back of the clock in my camera, see how much time I have, and then we'll do the conventional way if you like. Oh boy, I'm 8 minutes into it, so I don't have too much time into it. I'm going to wrap it up very quickly. Now the part I'm about to do is only for the people who are masochistic. And if you don't know what that word is, look it up and learn it. Let's call it the masochistic way if you like. So here you make an equation. Only if well, look it up and learn it. Seniors was 3 more than twice the juniors. And here, from here I know that there are 9 people who are neither juniors nor seniors. 9 are neither juniors nor seniors, which means there are 21 altogether. J plus S equals 21. Since I'm solving for J, let's substitute for S. S from here is 21 minus J. Let's put it in here. 21 minus J equals 3 plus 2J. Bring the J on the other side, you end up with 3J equals, bring the 3 on the other side, equals 18, and J equals 6. Voila. It actually, now that I look at it, now that I think of it, actually it wasn't too bad. It wasn't so bad actually. That's all. I hope you find it helpful. If you wish to get hold of me for personal private tutoring, face-to-face tutoring, or if you wish to be tutored over the phone or over the internet, or if you wish to buy the solution manuals, for any reason at all, if you need some help in the GRE or GMAT or the SAT, go to my website at www.for4gre.com and send me an email, alright? You can also go to www.KeshwaniPrep.com and send me an email, same website, alright? Thank you.